Welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to change your birth date, month or year on a Likee app. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. As you can see on my screen that I've already installed Likee app from a Play Store. You can also get it through App Store or Play Store, and simply after getting it, tap on it to open it. You can see this is my current profile page, home page right over here. How do I know it? By simply tapping on me option on the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your own profile. This is my profile with the name alexago57. That's my username. So to simply change your birth date, month and year, tap on edit option just next to your profile picture. You will get an option of name, Likee ID, bio and birthday. You can see your birthday over here. So simply tap on your birthday. Now you do an option of selecting your birth year and then your birth month and then your birth year that you want to keep, which is the correct one. And when you're done, just simply tap on save just below. You can see that my birth date, month and year has been changed successfully. So this is how you do it. This is how you change your birth date, month and year and simply convert your age from one to another on a Likee app. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe and goodbye.